Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome in.
Thank you. It is my first time here.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yes, I just moved to this area.
I see. Please feel free to look around.
Everything is very organized. I like it.
Thank you. We tried to keep it clean.
I am looking for something to drink.
We have cold drinks in the fridge on the left side.
Okay, I will check there. Excuse me, there are many choices.
Yes, we have juice, soda, and water.
Which one do you recommend?
This orange juice is very popular.
Is it sweet?
Yes, but not too sweet.
That sounds good. I will try it. Do you have something light to eat?
Yes, we have snacks over here.
I see chips and cookies.
Yes, these cookies are fresh.
How much are they?
They are $2.
Okay, I will take one pack. Some prices are not clear to me.
No problem. I can help you.
This item, does it cost $3 or $5?
Let me check. It is $3.
Oh, thank you for checking. Do you have any special offers today?
Yes, we have a small promotion.
What is it?
If you buy snacks and a drink, you get a small discount.
That sounds nice.
It will save you a little money.
Okay, I will take both. Do you sell soap?
Yes, it is in aisle 2.
Is it good quality?
Yes, many customers buy it.
All right, I will take one.
Are you working nearby?
Yes, I work in an office close to here.
That's convenient.
Yes, I can come here easily.
Hello again. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I have everything.
Let me scan the items.
Okay, take your time.
The total is $7.
I will pay with my card.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
Okay, done.
Payment is approved. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
I will pack your items carefully.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What time do you close?
We close at 10 p.m.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yes, we are open every day. Did you find everything you need?
Yes, everything was easy to find.
That's great.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome.
I will come again next time.
We will be happy to see you again.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to our store.
Thank you. It looks very nice inside.
Thank you. Please take your time.
Excuse me, I am looking for toothpaste.
Yes, toothpaste is in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. Okay, thank you. Excuse me again, what is the price of this juice?
That juice is $1.50.
Is there any discount?
Yes, if you buy 2, you get a small discount.
Oh, that sounds good. Can you explain the discount, please?
Of course, if you buy 1, it is $1.50, but if you buy 2, the total is $2.50.
So I save 50 cents.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, I will take 2. Do you have bread?
Yes, it is near the counter.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it came this morning.
Great, I will take 1.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, how much is everything?
Let me check. The total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Okay, I will use my card.
Please insert your card.
Okay, done.
Please enter your PIN.
All right, done.
Payment is successful.
What if I pay with cash?
If you pay with cash, I will give you change.
Okay, I understand.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
The bag costs 10 cents.
That's okay.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Excuse me, what if I want to return something?
You can return items within 3 days with the receipt.
Can I exchange it?
Yes, you can exchange it for another item.
That's very helpful, thank you.
Do you come here often?
No, this is my first time.
I hope you had a good experience.
Yes, everything is very easy and clear. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. See you again.
If you want to improve your English, please subscribe to our channel.
And practice speaking every day.
Both. See you next time.